Guys, we got yet another custom tailgate rig rolling out shop today. This one going on my man John, and she is loaded out. 330-gallon pit, hand wash sink, direct heat cooker, custom paint, custom wheels. It's got it all. So let's get into it. Up front, you'll notice we got a stainless steel top on our toolbox. Doesn't hurt to have a little extra area to prep off of, guys. Inside this storage box, we got our propane tank, 12-volt battery, little extra dry storage in there as well. We got a built-in battery tender right here, keep that battery charged up. Now next to that, we've got our hand wash station. So we've got a hand wash sink, we've got clean gray water tanks in there, hot water, your water pump, everything's built in here. Got our little control panel here. Little extra storage, keep some stuff dry, put all your soap, paper towels, whatever you need to hide in there. Of course, some more stainless prep area. Now next to that, we've got our 330-gallon offset smoker. Now this did get upgraded with some custom black paints. We got a gloss black paint on there. He did add the winch assist on the smokestack as well. Makes it very easy to raise and lower your smokestack. Now we'll open up the smoker here. We did add the counterweights as well. That is an option on the 330. Open this bad boy up. We've got these stainless steel slick bar grates in here. Really nice option to add, guys. Looks great, cleans up very easy, will last a lifetime. Plus you can brag to all your buddies you got the stainless steel grates. Of course, stainless steel accents on the hinges, handles, TMG pits, tail tooth thermometers as well. We got the Raceline wheels, 14-ply tires. That's a badass upgraded setup there. Stainless steel fender toppers. Of course, you got the TMG logo in stainless as well. Now we'll come around to the firebox. So guys, our fireboxes on the tank smokers are fully insulated. So we've got the doors insulated, the front of it is insulated, and we've got a 3/8 thick pipe here. It's wrapped with insulation as well. It makes this pit run very efficient, very easy to cook on. Now back here, we've got our wood storage area here. Throw your coolers back here, fold your stainless steel prep top down, lock it up, boom. You got a big area to prep off of, serve off of, sit down, take a break if you need to. Next to that, we've got a dry storage box. So we'll open this up. So we got a little extra storage in here, got a rubber seal around it, big stainless steel top as you can see. You're not gonna complain about having too much prep surface, guys, I guarantee that. Next to that, it's time to get to cooking again. We've got our dumpster direct heat cooker, 36 by 24. And this thing's got a little bit of everything in here, guys. So we got our top grate, stainless steel round bar once again. Now inside here, we've got our extra slide added here and our 3/16 charcoal pan. So we've got a charcoal pan built in here. It'll go here or on this top slide, or you can set it on the very bottom. So that really helps adjust your fire depending on what you're cooking, how hot you want to get it. Now down here, we've got not only another stainless round bar grate, but we also have a mild steel grate if you want to put charcoal on that as well. So he's got all the grates in his dumpster, guys. Either 1/4-inch plate, insulate on the bottom, also very efficient, very easy to run. Wear out some ribs and chicken on these things. Next to that, he's got not one, but 2 Cambro warmers. Got to keep all that food warm. Of course, a matching spare tire as well. Electric jack up front. So guys, that is John's tailgate rig heading out of the shop today. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.